This is the final video to solve Minecraft cave mushroom generation not working. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Minecraft cave mushroom generation not working, and I am going to share them with you. The first approach involves ensuring your world's data is sound, and that the specific chunks where mushrooms should appear are loading correctly, along with verifying the biome and light conditions are perfect for growth. Method 2 focuses on the game's integrity, suggesting updates, clearing caches, and reinstalling if necessary to fix any internal game file corruption. The third method dives into world-specific elements like the seed, save location, and potential file corruption, with a fallback to restoring from a backup. Finally, Method 4 covers in-game settings, player proximity, and server configurations, ensuring everything within the game itself is optimized for mushroom spawning. These comprehensive steps address the underlying technical reasons for the generation bug, targeting everything from corrupted data to incorrect game configurations.